In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can fix USB device not recognized on Windows. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is we just need to go ahead in the Windows search bar, and here we need to type the option edit, and under the best match this will appear this option edit power plan. Click on that. So in order to come up with this option changed advanced power settings, then you need to search edit plan settings on the Windows search bar, and then click on change advanced power settings, and the power options window will appear. So here you need to look for USB settings. Again, here you need to look for USB settings, and then you just need to click on the drop down arrow and choose disabled to disable the USB settings. So in my case, I don't have that from here, but in your case, you have to click on the drop down arrow next to USB settings and set that to disabled. Okay, and then click on apply and click on OK, and then close this. Then, for the next method, we need to make a right click at the start button. And here we have to open Device Manager. Once you open the Device Manager window, here you need to simply locate Universal Serial Bus Controllers, or the USB, and then click on this drop-down arrow to expand the list. Then here you need to look for the USB driver that has the downloading icon. So if you find the downloading icon right here on the USB icon or symbol, then what you need to do is you just need to make a right click and then select Update Driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you have to simply choose the latest driver or the one that will work for you. So you can try on that one by one if there is more than one available drivers on your computer. And then click on next, and now Windows will successfully update your drivers. And it is also much better that you are going to update each of the driver from here by doing the same process. Okay, now once done, then you need to restart your Windows. So you have to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. For the final method is you need to go back to the same device manager window and then locate Universal Serial Bus Controllers. And again, you need to locate the USB driver that has the downloading icon, and then you have to make a right click and then select uninstall device, and then click on the uninstall button. Okay, and then once you have uninstalled that, you just need to simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Once you have restarted your Windows, that will automatically reinstall the driver that you have uninstalled from your Windows. And that's it. You can try on any of the solutions to fix the issue. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.